Hello and welcome to today's Rumba lesson. We will look at basic choreography, open hip twist to open position, hand to hand with ladies spiral, Aida and a Rumba basic. We start with open hip twist, but we finish in open position. Then we change hands, joined hands, and continue with hand to hand. So again, open hip twist, finished in open position, hand to hand, and here we stop. I choose to this routine hand to hand because from here we can do spiral turn for lady. So under man's left arm and lady's right arm, we do spiral on count 1 and continue into Aida or follow-away with Cuban rocks. Then we turn facing each other and dance solo turn to left. And we finish our routine with a Rumba basic, turn to left. Man's steps, man starts with left foot, check forward, replace, close, back, replace, to side, back, replace, to side, back, back, back in follow-away, rock forward, rock back, rock forward, turn to each other, forward walk turning, replace, to side, check forward, replace, backward walk turning, backward, replace, forward walk turning. Ladies steps, lady starts with right foot, back, replace, forward walk then swivel, forward walk turning to side, back, replace, forward walk then spiral turn, forward walk turning, back in follow-away, rock forward, rock back, rock forward, turn to each other, forward walk turning, replace, to side, back, replace, forward walk turning, check forward, replace, backward walk turning. Now let's look at syncopated version of Aida, which is very similar to wapacha timing, which is used in dance cha-cha-cha. We dance hand to hand, 2, 3, 4. On 1 lady spiral cross, on 2 we hold position, and 3, 4, 1 we continue Aida. And now whole routine to the count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's look at routine to music. let's thank our demonstrators Edgars and Eliza, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I also ask you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn from me, from Egils Smagris personally. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.